We will discuss in today's video how to plant corn in the United States. While this could seem like a mundane point to examine, the very idea of planting any vegetable requires work and knowledge of the land. Some of this information was sourced from the U.S. Department of Agriculture as well as other online resources. Soil preparation. Soil testing. Conduct a soil test to assess the nutrient levels and pH of the soil. This will help determine the appropriate fertilizer and lime application based on the specific soil requirements. Organic matter. Improve soil fertility and structure by incorporating organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, into the soil before planting. Organic matter helps retain moisture, improve drainage, and enhance nutrient availability. Weed control. Prior to planting, control existing weeds through tillage or herbicide application. This helps reduce competition with the corn crop during its early growth stages. Planting time. Plant corn when soil temperatures consistently reach at least 50°F or 10°C at a 2-inch or 5-centimeter depth. Optimal planting dates may vary depending on the specific region and corn variety. Consider local climate conditions and frost dates for the best planting time. Seeding rate. Determine the appropriate seeding rate based on factors such as desired plant population, seed size, and germination rate. The recommended target plant population is typically around 28,000 to 36,000 plants per acre, but it can vary based on the specific region and management goals. Planting depth. Plant corn seeds at a depth of approximately 1.5 to 2 inches or 3.8 to 5 centimeters. Planting depth may vary depending on soil moisture conditions, but aim for uniform depth to ensure consistent germination and emergence. Row spacing. Row spacing for corn can vary, but commonly used spacings range from 30 to 36 inches or 76 to 91 centimeters. Wider row spacings are generally preferred for dryland production, while narrower spacings may be used for irrigated or high-yield environments. Fertilization. Apply fertilizers based on soil test recommendations and the nutrient requirements of corn. Nitrogen N, phosphorus P, and potassium K are the primary nutrients needed by corn. Fertilizer rates may vary depending on soil nutrient levels, yield goals, and local recommendations. Weed control. Implement effective weed control strategies, including pre-plant tillage, pre-emergence herbicide application, and post-emergence weed management. Timely and effective weed control is crucial during the early stages of corn growth. Disease and pest management. Monitor corn crops for common diseases and pests, such as fungal diseases, insects, and weeds. Implement integrated pest management (IPM) practices, including crop rotation, resistant varieties, scouting, and targeted pesticide applications when necessary. Watering. Corn requires adequate soil moisture for optimal growth and yield. Monitor soil moisture levels and provide irrigation if necessary, particularly during critical growth stages such as pollination and grain fill. It's important to note that these are general guidelines, and specific recommendations may vary based on factors such as regional climate, soil conditions, corn variety, and local farming practices. Like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to look for the next video in the series where the planting of soybeans will be discussed.